Hi. I always want this program to run as administrator. But I need to come here each and every single time, right-click and give approval. So, today we are going to learn the way to fix it. Simply, right-click on the program. Go to Show More Options. And find Properties. Here, come to Advanced. Click on Run as Administrator. Apply and OK. Now, only double-click will open the program as administrator. Now you can also remove the asking windows by this way. These will never appear again. Hope you liked the video. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.